Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back to another lesson. We're back on ayahs 182 onwards from Surat al Baqarah. We're going to read just slightly shorter and get that out to you guys faster. Who knows, maybe every other day. We'll have to see, inshallah. Make dua. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فمن خاف. There's no ikhfa here. There's no ikhfa, because this nun sakina but is followed by a kha. Jim is one that requires ikhfa. So you just read it normal. فَمَنْ خَافَ min, nun sakina joined by another mim with sukun, with shadda. So this joins. Mim musin. Now you have kasratain under the sad. So mim musin. This sin here, kasratain before jim. So if you have a nun sakina or tanween, fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain, after there's jim, this calls for ikhfa. So min musin janafan aw, so janafan aw ithman. Fathatain before fa. What happens? You get ikhfa. أو إثما فأصلح. So إثما فأصلح بينهم فلا إثم. This is a mad, alif before hamza. فلا إثم عليه. Jim, you can stop there. عليه. إن الله غفور رحيم. Next ayah. يا أيها. Right? So let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to keep going at that regular speed. I think people that are following these lessons, you've been reading, so we don't want a lot of repeat, but if it's benefiting more people, just let me know. Otherwise, we would read it as Ya ayyuhalladhina. Ya ayyuhalladhina. If you don't know what happened here and there, put a comment. I'll go back to doing those. Otherwise, we've done these a lot and we want to keep things going, okay? If you want to learn how to read from the beginning level, go to lesson 1 of Surat al Baqarah, okay? But more advanced, it should be a little faster by now. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين min nun sakina followed by qaf. What happens? Min qablikum. Slight qalqala on the ba. Min qablikum la'allakum. Shadda. لعلكم تتقون. Okay, inshallah, we're going to keep the ayahs shorter. I apologize, but this will be I know myself and my time, this will be easier to get more lessons up for you guys more often. Jazakumullah khair. Please comment if that was too fast, too slow, whatever you like. We'll go with the most comments on it. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you for watching again. Keep me in du'as. Wa alaikum assalam.